Subaru outback 2006. I had the issue with license plates lights. One day go away, both of them. So I tried to find out the fuses, all kind of stuff. Tried to find something online what can be. There is no clear answer. And what I find out, I have correct cable on the right side, purple one. I hope not that's my issue and it's gonna connect this, it's gonna fix my problem. Hopefully it's gonna help you out, guys. Boom, everything works. So what we need in this case, on the right side, purple cable, which one, that one is responsible for the license plate lights. Hopefully I help you out, guys. Wish you good luck.